Hi guys and welcome back. I hope you're all keeping well and safe. A belated Happy New Year's to you all, and I hope you guys enjoyed the holiday break. As I didn't get a chance to film a New Year's makeup tutorial, I decided to recreate my New Year's eye makeup glam. I went for a warm plumish look to match my dress. If you want to know how I achieved this look, then please continue watching. So I have already primed my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette, and using the shade Untamed, I'm going to apply this onto the crease area of my eyes using a crease brush. Notice how I'm patting the colour onto the crease area. It looks bad, but I promise you once we blend it out, it will all come together. Taking a thick and fluffy blending brush, I'm blending this out in an upwards and circular motion. Now I'm going to take the shade Spicy, and using a flat shader brush, I'm patting this onto the outer part of my eyelid. And I'm going to take the same blending brush and blend both these colours together. And I forgot to mention my blending brush is from the Naughty Nude set. Next I'm going in with the Louise base in the shade Rumour 3, and using a small concealer brush I'm applying this onto the inner half of my eyelid, almost like I'm going to cut my crease. Notice how when I looked up, the base left a line on the top part of my lids. This is how high up we want to apply this base. And you'll also notice the colour of the base turns a little bit lilac-ish, which is fine as it's due to the eyeshadow already there. And besides, we're going for a smoky plumish look, so it's all good. So using a small shader brush, I'm going to take the shade Desire and apply this over the base. Here's a tip: if you spray your brush with setting spray, it will help make the colour pop on your eyelids and allow easy application with a brush. Here I'm going to blend both eyeshadows onto the centre of my eyelids. I'm just going to go back in with the shade Spicy on the outer crease using a less dense and a lighter blending brush. I'm using the MAC 224 blending brush to blend out the edges. For my lower lash line, I'm going to mirror my eyelid, so I'm applying Spicy on the outer corner and Desire on the inner corner, and then blending this through. Now using the shade Flower Power, I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone, then I'm just going to blend this. Now I'm going to go in with a grey eyeliner and apply a wing eyeliner. Before I apply some lashes, I'm just going to apply some mascara, then I'm going to go in with the Tatti lashes in TL3. For lips, I'm applying the Limecrime Carousel Gloss in the shade Present. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will link all the products I use in the description box below. Please do show your support and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Take care for now, and bye!